Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make an iced coffee in a simple way, and also you can enjoy this drink beside your studying or beside your daily activities in your home. So first of all that you need is the ingredients for making this iced coffee. The first thing that you have prepared is ice cube like this. You can see on the screen. You can make it from your refrigerator in your home. And then this one, a glass water. Don't forget, this is exactly that you have to prepare. And then a half of hot water to pure what we said, to mix the coffee in the glass until it blended. And then one sachet of condensed milk. Yeah. And the last thing is really important to make it more delicious is I have chocolates over here, like wafer. You can buy in the stall or mini market nearby in your home. Okay, the next step that I'll explain several steps in a simple way, exactly, for making this iced coffee. Yeah, the first thing that you have to put your coffee. Oh, I forget. Then the ingredients really important. They have to buy this one. This is really recommended from me. Toro Cafe, you can buy it in a stall or any market nearby in your house. Toro Cafe. And then the first thing that you have to do is put your Toro Cafe on the glass like this one. So I'll put first. Put Toro Cafe on the glass, into the glass. Okay, finished. Like what I said in the first time, I have a half glass of hot water. Yeah. So I put a little bit, maybe quarter of this glass. So I stir it slowly until it mixes like this one. You can see on the screen. Yes. Stir it slowly until all of the chocolate mixed. And then don't forget, after stirring the coffee, I have a one sachet condensed milk. Yeah, so put on your glass, into your glass. Put in your glass. This is up to you if you want to put it too much or put a little bit. And then after that, I have an ice cube over here. Yeah, you can see. Maybe you just want to put 3 or 4 in the glass, like this one. I put 3 ice cube into the glass. And then the last thing to make it more delicious is chocolates. I stir it slowly first until it blended like this. The last thing, I have the chocolates over here, so I put these chocolates into the glass. I have the chocolates over here. Okay, so you can see like this. Yeah. And finally, a cup of coffee is ready to serve and enjoy your coffee.